Now then, how you doing? Welcome back to the Yorkshire Bike Mechanics YouTube channel. My name's Dave K. I hope you're having a good week. And we certainly are, because it's nice and sunny, and a bit of a bonus today because in this box that I'm lent on, we've got an original Raleigh Tomahawk bike. Now I'm going to put a picture up of one so you can see, but those who are unfortunately of my age will probably remember them. If you're younger, then you might not. But this is an original one, and we've been given the great privilege of building it back up. It's been restored. The owners brought it in and said, will you build this up for us? And we've said, of course we will. So it's here in this box. We're going to do a little bit of a time-lapse video, otherwise it's going to be far too long. So let's crack on. Well, this has been an absolute gem to do. I've enjoyed every minute of doing this little bike, building it up. It all came in a box. It's an original 1972 Raleigh Tomahawk. And just look at it, it's absolutely mint. I love it. In fact, I've enjoyed it that much, I want another one to do. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I certainly have. It's been great to do. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe and click the bell as well. It really does help. Thanks for tuning in. Watch again soon. See you later. Toodle pip.